Databases power the world of technology. From apps to enterprises, data drives it all. Do you have the skills to design, build, and manage them? The information technology specialist in databases proves your ability to design, query, and manage data with SQL, skills employers want today. You'll master database design, primary keys, data normalization, SQL queries, joins, data manipulation, and troubleshooting, all aligned with real-world industry standards. Becoming certified shows employers you're job ready. Whether you aim for data analysis, software development, or IT support, this certification sets you apart. Take your IT skills to the next level with our learning, exam prep, and certification bundle. You get the exam with a free retake, practice tests to sharpen your skills, and a full e-course to guide you step by step. Everything you need to succeed all in one place. Start by grabbing your all-in-one certification bundle here. https://bit.ly/itsbundle. Next, book your personalized one-on-one coaching session with our learning and skills development consultant at https://bit.ly/bookfi. This bundle isn't just about databases, it also covers artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analytics, device configuration and management, HTML and CSS, HTML5 application development, Java, JavaScript, networking, network security, Python, and software development. We're excited to guide you every step of the way on your certification journey.